Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device by using the system settings on the watch. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. If you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your device. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it. To turn it on, simply press and hold the side button, and to wake up the screen on your watch, press the side button. Once you turn on the watch or wake up the screen on it, you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, select the system option, and in the system menu, scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen. Find the reset option and tap on it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and start the resetting process. And after a couple of seconds, second or two rather, the watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you factory reset this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.